extremely moist, outrageously flavorful, lemon, pepper, salmon bites. This recipe will knock anybody's socks off, and it is so easy to make. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's not waste any time and let's get right on into it. Let's get started. So here I have my beautiful skinless salmon fillet. I'm just gonna take my knife and slice this into cubes. There is something about salmon bites, something about them. Maybe it's just the friendly size, be able to just pop in your mouth and munch down on them. I don't know, I just love them. Once you're done slicing them up, go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil on them and rub it all in, and you know we have to season this up proper. I have my seasoning blend listed on the screen, and it will be listed down in the description box as well for you to reference to. So be generous, go ham, go crazy, and season this salmon like your life depends on it. And a question I know I'm gonna get, Jay, can this work in an air fryer? Abso-freaking-lutely. I'm gonna drop the timing and everything in the description box, but this will go so well in the air fryer as well. Moving on, I have my pan to about a medium, and I am dropping in about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Very important, because you know, you throw salted butter in there, your recipe is bound to be too salty. I almost never buy salted butter. Go ahead and drop your salmon bites in there. I'm gonna let it cook on the first side for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna give it a flip and let the other side do the same. Obviously be careful not to burn it, and again, our heat is about to a medium. And of course, as you can see, it's kind of like a cube shape with the salmon bites themselves. So once you have those 2 initial sides seared up, you can also sear up the rest of the sides as well, just being careful not to overcook it. And once your salmon is fully cooked, you want to go ahead and remove it from the heat and plate up. So this is the end result. So easy, so flavorful, and simply amazing. That lemon pepper gives you that extra pop, and it pairs so well with salmon. And I know you guys ask, what lemon pepper seasoning do you recommend? I always use Lowry's, but you could use any other seasoning you want to. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.